Now then, I just want to show you something that's come through the post today. A box from China. The lovely people at East Top. This should be full of harmonicas. Right, we're going in. Let's have a look. The tension is mounting. Okay, it is indeed. We've got one of those, whatever that is. We've got two of those, whatever they are. So there we go. So this little lot, we're going to unwrap, we're going to unbox all of these, one at a time, obviously. Stick around if you want to see what's in these things. They're all brand new designs, brand new, yeah, for example, that one got 8 holes, so that's a lucky 8, I think they call that. So we'll have a look at all these and then we'll play them, and we may even take them apart, because I know that some people want to see what's inside, how they work. So stick around.